Are you struggling with homeschooling your child? If yes, you are not alone. The task of homeschooling can indeed seem daunting. With the traditional classroom structure out of the equation, parents are often left wondering how to create a conducive learning environment at home. But worry not, there are creative strategies and techniques, or hacks as we like to call them, that can significantly enhance your homeschooling experience. In this video, we will explore some of these popular homeschooling hacks. From flexible scheduling and multi-use spaces to online resources and learning games, we've got it all covered. We'll also delve into project-based learning, outdoor education, parent networking, personalized curriculum, utilizing technology, and staying organized. These hacks aim to not only make the process smoother but also more effective, ensuring your child gets the best possible learning experience right at home. Stay tuned as we dive into these homeschooling hacks that will transform your homeschooling experience. Hack number 1, flexible scheduling. Now, what do we mean by this? Well, it's all about creating a daily routine that suits your child's unique learning style and your family's everyday rhythm. You see, traditional school settings have a one-size-fits-all schedule, but homeschooling gives you the freedom to shake things up. Let's say your child is a morning person. Why not tackle the harder subjects first thing when their mind is fresh? Or perhaps your child learns best in the afternoon, after a good lunch and some physical activity. Then you can adjust your schedule to accommodate their peak learning times. The beauty of flexible scheduling is that it also allows for impromptu learning opportunities. Maybe there's a butterfly migration happening in your area, a perfect chance for a spontaneous science lesson, or a rainy day could become an impromptu movie day, with films that complement the current curriculum. So, don't be afraid to experiment with different time slots for subjects and activities. Remember, flexibility is key in homeschooling. Moving on to hack number 2, multi-use spaces. Picture your home as a vast expanse of potential learning environments, each space with its unique charm and function. Imagine having a cozy corner dedicated to reading, where your child can lose themselves in the world of books, or a little science lab in the kitchen, where each meal preparation turns into a fascinating experiment. How about transforming the living room into an art gallery that showcases your child's latest artistic masterpieces? The beauty of multi-use spaces is that they bring learning into the everyday. They blur the lines between schooling and life, reinforcing the idea that learning doesn't just happen in a classroom, it happens everywhere. This approach can also help keep things fresh and exciting for your child, as they move from one environment to another, each with its unique learning focus. So, with multi-use spaces, every part of your home can be a learning environment. Our third hack revolves around the use of online resources. The digital world offers a bounty of educational materials that can immensely benefit your homeschooling journey. Think of educational websites that cover a wide array of subjects, from math to history to science. These websites often present information in a fun and interactive way, making learning a more engaging experience. Then there are applications or apps designed specifically for educational purposes. These apps can help reinforce concepts taught, provide additional practice, and even introduce new ideas in a user-friendly manner. They are a great tool to diversify the learning process. Lastly, don't forget about virtual field trips. These allow your child to explore museums, zoos, historical sites, and even space, all from the comfort of your home. They can supplement curriculum by providing real-world context to what they're studying. The internet is a treasure trove of educational resources. Use it wisely. Let's discuss hack number 4 and 5, learning games and project-based learning. Transforming education into an enjoyable experience can dramatically improve a child's engagement and retention. And that's precisely where learning games come into play. They are not merely playtime distractions, but powerful educational tools. Games can teach a range of skills, from basic arithmetic and spelling to complex problem solving. They can also instill a sense of competition and motivation to achieve goals. What's more, educational games can be adapted to any age or skill level, making them a versatile tool in your homeschooling toolkit. For instance, you might use a simple memory-matching game for a young child learning shapes and colors, or a complex strategy game for an older child studying world history. The key is to choose games that align with your child's interests and educational goals. Now, let's move on to project-based learning, another impactful strategy. This learning approach puts students at the heart of their education, allowing them to explore, question, and create. It encourages children to take the reins of their learning journey, fostering an environment of curiosity and innovation. To implement project-based learning, start with a question or a challenge that aligns with your child's curriculum. It could be as simple as, how does a plant grow? For a biology lesson, or as complex as, how can we create a sustainable city? For an environmental science unit. The goal is to spark curiosity and encourage your child to seek answers through research, experimentation, and creativity. This hands-on approach not only deepens understanding, but also fosters critical thinking, problem-solving, and collaboration skills. Furthermore, it allows children to see the real-world applications of what they're learning, making their education more meaningful and relevant. Incorporating learning games and project-based learning into your homeschooling routine can turn education into an exciting adventure, rather than a chore. It's about making learning a fun, interactive, and hands-on experience. Learning is more effective when it's fun and hands-on. Now let's talk about hack number 6 and 7, outdoor education and parent networking. Outdoor education is a fantastic way to bring learning to life. It's all about stepping outside the traditional classroom setup and embracing the great outdoors as a living, breathing textbook. Think about it. Science isn't just about reading textbooks and memorizing facts, it's about observing the world around us, experimenting, and asking questions. Take your child on a nature walk and let them explore the wonders of the ecosystem. Conduct science experiments in your backyard. Use the whole world as your playground and incorporate physical activities into lessons. This not only makes learning fun, but also keeps your child physically active and engaged. Now, moving on to parent networking. As you embark on this homeschooling journey, remember that you are not alone. There are many other parents who are navigating the same path. Connect with them. This could be your neighbor, a friend, or even a group on social media. The point is to build your network, share resources, exchange ideas, seek advice, and even organize collaborative learning opportunities for your children. The beauty of parent networking lies in the shared experiences. You'd be surprised how much you can learn from someone else's journey. Their experiences, their trials, their triumphs can provide you with invaluable insights. It's an excellent opportunity to learn new teaching strategies, discover new resources, and gain emotional support. Remember, it's not a competition. It's about growing together, learning from each other, and creating the best possible learning environment for your children. In the grand scheme of things, homeschooling is about more than just academics. It's about creating a holistic learning environment that caters to your child's unique needs and interests. It's about giving your child the freedom to learn at their own pace, in their own way. Outdoor education and parent networking are excellent strategies to achieve this. Remember, learning isn't confined to the four walls of a room, and you are not alone in this journey. Finally, we have hacks 8, 9, and 10. Personalized curriculum, utilizing technology, and staying organized. Diving into personalized curriculum, it's crucial to tailor the learning material to match your child's interests, pace, and academic goals. This approach ensures that your child is not just passively absorbing information, but is truly engaged and excited about the learning process. For instance, if your child is passionate about dinosaurs, why not integrate this interest into their science or history lessons? Personalizing the curriculum can make learning more meaningful and enjoyable for your child. Next up, let's talk about utilizing technology. In this digital age, there are countless tools and resources at your disposal to enhance the homeschooling experience. Video conferencing tools can be used for virtual classes, inviting guest speakers, or for remote learning opportunities. Educational apps and websites can supplement your curriculum and keep lessons engaging. As parents, it's important to embrace technology, not fear it. It can truly be a game changer in your homeschooling journey. And finally, staying organized. This is the key to ensuring a smooth and efficient homeschooling process. Keep track of lesson plans, assignments, and resources with digital or physical organization systems. This could be as simple as maintaining a calendar with due dates or using an app to manage assignments. The goal is to have everything in one place, easily accessible and visible. This will help you stay on top of your child's progress and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Remember, the beauty of homeschooling lies in its flexibility and the ability to adapt to your child's unique needs. So don't be afraid to experiment with these hacks and see what works best for your family. Every child is different, and what works for one may not work for another. With these hacks, homeschooling can become more manageable and effective. Remember, you're not just teaching your child academic skills, but also life skills that will serve them well long after they've closed their textbooks. And there you have it. 10 homeschooling hacks that can help enhance your homeschooling journey. We've explored the flexibility of scheduling, making the most of every corner of your home, and the vast array of online resources available. We've also touched on the importance of learning games, project-based learning, and the benefits of outdoor education. We highlighted the value in connecting with other homeschooling families, personalizing your curriculum, leveraging technology, and staying organized. Each of these hacks offers a unique way to enrich the learning experience for your child, while also making the homeschooling process more manageable for you as a parent. Remember, these are just guidelines, and it's important to find what works best for your family. Experiment, adapt, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and content. Happy homeschooling!